All right, we're about to find a treasure. This is so exciting. Help me dig. Oh, nothing yet. I found something. I'm going to find a treasure. What will it be? Shiny blue. Hi, everyone. I'm Dash the Adventurer, the world's greatest treasure hunter. I love going on epic adventures to find super cool treasures. I've got an idea. You want to come with me today? All right. Well, to get us started, I've got a clue. I wonder what it will mean. I'm a flat sheet until you fold me with care. Spread out my wings and fly through the air. There are a lot of birds around here, but I don't think that's the whole solution. I've got an idea. Come with me. Hello, bird. All right. This is a fantastic vantage point. I can see everything from here. Help me choose the tool that will help me to see farther away. I don't see anything quite here. Yes, the binoculars. Let's see what we see. Oh, some very nice palm trees. Oh, a lovely playground. Lots of colors. Now there are some seagulls. Yes, okay. And then a picnic table. A lifeguard chair, that's important, but... Ooh! Look at that mural with all the birds on it! May not be our clue, but all of those birds must mean something. What do you think? Should we check it out? All right, adventurers, check out the mural. It looks like it shows the whole ecosystem. There might be some clues. Help me look. Let's see what we see. Oh, that looks like an egret. What a lovely bird. Heading on down to... Oh, a stingray. And there's some fish, also part of the ecosystem. Ooh, a bird of prey. I wonder if it's a falcon. Ooh, a cormorant. Look at it spread its wings. Yes. Ooh, look down in the bush. All right, adventurers. Know what this is? It's a paper airplane. Remember the clue? A sheet that could fold up and then it would have wings and fly. Have you ever played with a paper airplane? I think they're super fun. Science is involved in flying airplanes. There's 3 important words to remember: thrust, lift, drag. When I move my arm forward, I give the airplane thrust. Air underneath the wings causes the airplane to lift. Because there's a nice point on our airplane, it reduces drag. All right, are you ready to give it a try with me? All right, adventurers, it's a moment of truth. Let's do a countdown. 3, 2, 1. Holy cow! See that fly? All right, adventurers. Wasn't that cool? You want to learn how to make an airplane out of paper? I'd love to teach you. Let's do it. All right, adventurers, I'm going to show you how to make the paper airplane I learned to make when I was growing up. Check it out. First, we take our paper and we fold it lengthwise. You make a crease right down the middle of the paper. And we open it up. Let's take this side and fold the corner to meet the middle. Right along that crease that we made in the middle. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Do you see how the two edges meet in the middle along a crease? All right, let's fold it back together again. Ooh. When two sides are the same, it's called symmetry. You see how the two sides look the same? All right, now we're going to make the wings. Take this side and fold it to meet the edge. Nice and flat. Do you see? All right, now we do the same thing on the other side. Oh, you got to make sure it's straight. I didn't make it very straight just then. Nice and straight. All right, adventurers. It's the moment of truth. 3, 2, 1. Did you see it go? I think that wasn't bad. But did you notice it didn't go as far as the other airplane? It's very important to remember that there's no such thing as perfect. Things don't have to be perfect in order to be fun. So a wise man once told me, you do your best, you forget the rest. It's important to have fun, like we're doing right now. All right, adventurers, check this out. It's a whole new thing to discover. Look at all these kinds of paper airplanes. How many designs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got an idea. Should we fly them? Let's do it. All right, adventurers, what do you say we play a game? Let's see which paper airplane will fly the farthest. I want you to think which one it might be. Is it the red, the yellow, the green, the pink, or the purple paper airplane? Let's start with the yellow airplane. Look how the nose is curved in. I wonder how that will affect its flight. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that went pretty well. Okay. This pink one is narrow and it has a pointy tip. I wonder how far it will go. All right. 3, 2, 1. It went almost the same distance. Wow. This one's very different. It's like an open circle. I think this may require a different technique. Maybe it will float through the air. 1, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, I liked it. Ooh, I like the looks of this one. It's flat with wings pointing upward. Look at the underside. That's where I'll grab on. Let's do our countdown. 3, 2, 1. So far, the yellow paper airplane is in the lead. Next is the pink paper airplane. Next is the red paper airplane. And the purple paper airplane is last. We've got one more. Ooh. This one is aerodynamic. You heard that word? Aerodynamic means something will travel well through air. You think I'll be right about this one? Let's try. 3, 2, 1. Do you see that? The airplane went almost all the way to the water. Wow! And the winner is the green paper airplane. All right, adventurers, good job. You know what, adventurers? That was super fun, but I almost forgot. We're seeking a treasure. I think we need some direction. What do you say we use the magic compass? Now remember, the magic compass works when we move around. So let's make sure we give it movement. It's working! Let's go! Oh. Oh. It's working! It's totally working! Here we go. I feel like we're getting close. It stopped. We must be close. Adventurers, will you help me find it? I don't see any treasures yet. I think we need to look beneath the surface. Help me choose. What tool will help us look underneath the surface? The shovel. Let's give it a go. All right, this is very exciting. We're about to find a treasure! Holy cow! Let's give it a go. I found something! We're almost there. Look at that shiny blue. I wonder what it's going to be. Wow! It's a light up, shining frisbee. Frisbees are an aerodynamic marvel. Have you played with one before? We use some of the same forces we were talking about with our paper airplanes. Just like our arm created thrust, our arm does it with the frisbee too. And just like the plane needed lift, so does the frisbee. Because the top is curved and the bottom is flat, lift is created. The most important thing about throwing a frisbee is the spin. The spin allows the frisbee to stay flat and to continue in one direction. Should we give it a try? Let's do it! 3, 2, 1. All right! You see how far that went? What a great treasure! Great job, adventurers! We did it! What a fantastic journey! We learned about the different forces that help airplanes, including paper airplanes, to stay in the air. And we found a fantastic treasure and learned more about flight. The world is full of amazing things to discover. You want to go on another journey with me? Let's do it. Be sure to like and subscribe so you know when we're going off on our next journey. I'm Dash the Adventurer. D-A-S-H. Can you say that with me? D-A-S-H. And I can't wait to go on my next adventure with you.